Hi, my name's Theo Ging-Wargo, and this is my long term. So what's my long term and why am I doing it? So my long term's on if you have a long barrel on Nerf gun, will it increase performance like on a real gun, like a sniper or bullpup? And I'm doing this just because I like to play with Nerf guns. My claim is that a 4 or 6-inch barrel will increase performance because with the Nerf gun I'm using, there's two little motors that push the dart out, and they produce a little bit of air. And the 4 and 6-inch barrel are short enough that the dart doesn't have enough time to bounce off the side and lose some of its energy, but still has a bit of that air from the motors going towards it and pushing it further. My plan is I'm going to set my Nerf gun up on a little bipod, then set it up on a table for stability. Then I'm going to put some new batteries in it, let the motors fully go up, and then fire 5 times out of a 24-inch, 18-inch, 12-inch, 8-inch, 6-inch, and 4-inch piece of PVC to model a barrel. Then I'm going to record it. And then this is just a picture of me cutting the PVC. And here's the firing tests. I did multiple firing tests, but I only caught 2 on camera. You might not be able to see, but I have 2 measuring tapes laid down because the darts are going so far that I have to put down 2. And like I said, I had to lay down 2 measuring tapes because the darts are going so far. And how I'm changing the PVC is I'm just using 1 foot of duct tape and then taking off the old barrel and just putting on the new one. And here's my data. And as you can see, at 4-inch, 33 feet and 2 inches, and then 60 feet and 3 inches is a huge difference. And I don't know why that's happening, but you can see that 60 is the highest amount we have, and it's on 4 inches. And as you can see, as we keep going down, the trials just start to get lower and lower and lower. And like on 24-inch trial 5, 0.0 inches. You might think that might affect my graph a lot, but it really wouldn't too much because as you can see, it's the lowest out of every trial, so it would still be the lowest on the graph, which it is. And how I'm getting the averages is I'm just adding up all first I have to convert all the feet to inches, then I have to add up all those inches from all the 5 trials, and then divide that by 5. And then I made another graph on Excel. And as you can see, with the graph on Excel, that 4-inch is the highest, and then the 6 and 8 are right next to it, and they're the closest you can get to it. And then you have 12, 18, and 24. And those ones just they just make pretty much a big slant of going down. And if you can see the green dot, every time you go to a higher barrel length, it seems as if it goes down a bit more. Here's my graph that I made by hand, and as you can see, 4 is going the highest, and then 24-inch is going the lowest. So, and then the longer the barrel gets, it starts to go down and down and down. So was I correct? Partially. So the 4-inch barrel does increase performance because it is short enough, like I said in my claim, that it doesn't affect performance. and it would go the highest. But 6-inch, it's the third farthest shooting, and 2 of the 5 shots fired went down with 24-inch, 18-inch, and 12-inch, and those ones had the worst ranges. So like 12 inches green, you can see it's going very low. 24 inches purple, it's going very low. And in conclusion, if I was trying to shoot as far as I could with a Nerf gun, I wouldn't use a barrel at all, because barrels do not increase performance on Nerf guns. And if I had to use a barrel on Nerf gun, I just put on a short one that looks cool. Not to help performance, just to look cool. Any questions?